How to install and set up W3 Total Cache in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you are already logged into the WordPress admin panel with Admin User. Now let's learn how to install and set up the W3 Total Cache plugin in WordPress. W3 Total Cache improves the SEO and user experience of your site by increasing website performance. Point the mouse on Plugins and then click on Add New menu. In the Search Plugins window, search for W3 Total Cache. We have searched the plugin here. Now, click on the Install Now button. That's it! You have successfully installed the W3 Total Cache plugin. Click on the Activate button in order to activate the plugin. The W3 Total Cache plugin is activated now. Click on the Settings option. Let's configure the W3 Total Cache plugin. Keep the Toggle All Caching Types On or Off at Once option disabled. Enable Preview mode if you're adjusting W3TC settings on a live website. Keep the Page Cache and Page Cache Methods options enabled. In the Minify section, click on the checkbox to enable Minify option. Set the Minify mode to Manual. Keep all the other settings as it is under Minify section. Leave the Op Cache Code settings as it is. In the Database Cache section, click on the checkbox to enable the option. Keep the Database Cache Method settings as it is. In the Opcode Cache section, click on the checkbox to enable the option. In Object Cache Method, select the option as per your hosting environment. In Browser Cache section, click on the checkbox to enable the option. In CDN section, click on the checkbox to enable the option if you have subscribed for CDN services. Click on the CDN Type drop-down window and select the CDN service which you have subscribed. Reverse Proxy section. To use this option, you will need to install Varnish on your server and go through some advanced server configuration steps. If you have the Varnish server's IPs, enable the option and configure the IPs in the Varnish servers window. The Monitoring section is used to integrate the new Relic server monitoring with W3TC. We will leave this option as it is. In the Fragment Cache section, select the Fragment Cache method by clicking on the drop-down window. Configure the Fragment Cache method as per your hosting environment. Verify your W3TC Premium license key in the License window. In the Miscellaneous section, enable the Optimize Disk Enhanced Page and Minify Disk Caching for NFS option. Leave all the other settings in the Miscellaneous section as it is. The Debug mode should remain disabled unless you are actively using it. Import-Export settings option helps in duplicate plugin settings between multiple sites. To copy the settings from the other website, click on the Choose File button in Import Configuration option and then click on the Upload button. Click on the Download button to export the current settings in the Export Configuration option. If you want a fresh start configuring the W3TC plugin, click on the Restore Default Settings button. Now, click on the Save All Settings and Purge Caches button. That's it! You have successfully configured the W3TC plugin. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and set up W3 Total Cache plugin in WordPress.